Welcome to CR Tutorial Chemistry. This is your CR sir. Today we are going to discuss about the preparation of haloalkanes and haloarenes. Haloalkanes and haloarenes. Yes. These haloalkanes and haloarenes, also called as alkyl halides or aryl halides. So the preparation of alkyl halides or aryl halides. Now, from means here the haloalkanes and haloarenes are prepared from different organic compounds. So here first one is the from alcohols. Means here we are preparing the alkyl halides from alcohols only. Alcohols are only aliphatic alkyl halides. If those are aromatic, those are called as aryl halides. So from alcohols. So it is a best method of the preparation of alkyl halides here. For example, the alcohols on reacting with a hydrogen halide HX. I am writing like this. HX means hydrogen halide in the presence of ZnCl2 or ZnH2, whatever it may be. So they will get here RX. Okay. So means halogen is coming inside the OH group. Means we have to write here this X this side like this. So we can remove like this. Which one it is? Yes, H and X only. We have to remove like this as a water molecule. Then we get you have to write combine this line with this line. Then we get the RX and plus H2. Okay. Yes, we can prepare specifically here. You may take CH3CH2OH. We know this. This is an ethyl alcohol. On reacting with hydrogen chloride in the presence of ZnCl2 only or anhydrous ZnCl2. Same like that only. You people have to remove OH and H. So means it is easy method to understand the equation. Then you have to combine these two lines. Then we get here, imagine yourself, CH3, CH2 and a Cl it is only. Next H2. Right, okay. So here the mixture of HCl plus anhydrous ZnCl2 is called as a Lucas reagent. Which one it is called as? It is a Lucas reagent. People have to remember what is a Lucas reagent. This is the mixture of which one? HCl and anhydrous ZnCl2 is called as a Lucas reagent. This Lucas reagent is used for the identification of alcohols in laboratory as a primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols. Okay. So specifically if you have taken the HBr, you can write as a Br there only. Okay. So this is the reaction of Lucas reagent with alcohol. In this reaction we are preparing the alkyl halides. So this is the ethyl chloride. You people have to imagine what is the IUPAC name of this one as well. This is the common name ethyl chloride. It is a chloroethane. Here it is alkyl halide. This is haloalkane. Alkyl halide is the common name. The haloalkane is the IUPAC name. So we can prepare any alkyl halide. Here it is ethyl chloride. We can prepare the methyl chloride also. Okay, propyl chloride. If you have taken here 3 carbons, then we get the propyl chloride. Right, okay. But in alcohols, there are three types of alcohols are there. One is a primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, and a tertiary alcohol. Here, the reaction with Leucas reagent. The reaction with the Leucas reagent is tertiary alcohol react with Leucas reagent very fast. Then after that one, secondary alcohol. The reaction of a Leucas reagent with the primary alcohol is very slow. According to the reaction speed, we can understand which one is a primary and secondary and tertiary alcohols. Means here the Leucas test. The test is called as a Leucas test. So this test is used for the identification of primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols in the laboratory. What is the reaction rate of alcohols with Leucas reagent? Tertiary is very fast. After that only secondary. After that here primary. Sir, these are the colorless. How can we identify the reaction in the test tube in the laboratory? So if you have taken if it is a tertiary alcohol, then the fumes will come fastly, means moisture, humidity will be formed in the test tube. Some extent later, okay, but it is very late, means it is very fast to become humidity in the test tube. Okay, means here which one, what will happen here? H2O is releasing from the reaction as a vapor or as a moisture. So the H2O is releasing very fastly. It will form which one? Tertiary alcohol will form very fastly humidity in that test tube. So that's why we can understand. So this is tertiary alcohol. This is secondary alcohol. So this is primary alcohol. Again we discuss in the alcohols this reaction again. Okay, but whatever it may be, here we are preparing the alkyl halides by the testing of Leucas reagent, which is called as the Leucas reagent. Anhydrous HCl and ZnCl2 is called as a anhydrous zinc chloride is called as a Leucas reagent. Here same like that the other type of method is also there. The alcohols on reacting with alcohols on reacting with a sodium halide. Suppose example we can write as the sodium bromide. In the presence of H2SO4, means we are taking some extent of mineral acid only here. Here also we get a NaBr. If you have taken NaCl, you get Na, okay, alkyl chloride only. Then the other one is same, you people have to remove here from OH. You have to remove the OH only and add this halogen to this. This sodium you have to add to this. Okay, means OH and 1H is written as a H2O, and the remaining part, which one it is? The sodium atom is connected with the HSO4. Then we get the sodium bisulfate. Okay, so this is the reaction. In this method also we can prepare the alkyl halides. Specifically I am writing the ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol on reacting with sodium bromide, okay, plus H2SO4 gives rise to CH3 CH2, okay, Br, sodium bromide plus H2O, ethyl bromide plus H2O, and which one it is? Sodium bisulfate. So it is a ethyl bromide. Here we have prepared ethyl chloride, here ethyl bromide, right? Okay, so this is the another type of preparation from alcohols only. So here it is, you have to consider as a and B you take like this. Yes, next the reaction of alcohols on, okay, C, you have to take alcohols, same you have to write ROH only, ROH plus some extent PX3. Here alcohols on reacting with phosphorus trihalide. Which one it is? Phosphorus trihalide. Okay, phosphorus trihalide. Phosphorus trihalide. So here you will have to remember 3 moles of alcohol are reacting with 1 mole of phosphorus trihalide. These 3 OHs are removed of 3 alcohol, okay, molecules. Then we get the 3 moles of R, okay, EX, and we get the phosphoric acid H3PO3, or we can write it as a, okay, POH taken 3. This is called as a phosphorus acid. What do you understand here? Alcohols are reacting with phosphorus trihalide to give, which one it is? Alkyl halides. Specifically you have to write same like that only. CH3. Okay, I am taking only simple compound or simple alcohol, ethyl alcohol only, and reacting with the phosphorus trichloride. Okay, then we get what you have to write here, R 3CH2 Cl plus H3PO3, phosphorus acid. Okay, this is the preparation of alkyl halides. What is the compound? This one, chloroethane or ethyl chloride. This is commonly called as a, this is also common, this is also common, whatever it may be, the halogen, chloride, bromide, iodide, whatever it may be. But here we can't prepare by this method. Okay, the chlorides only we can prepare the chlorides, bromides and iodides only. So this is the reaction with phosphorus trihalide. Okay, so we can prepare the haloalkanes. Now alcohols are reacting with phosphorus pentachloride, or OH plus PCl5 gives rise to RCl, or you write here RX3X5, you write here RX only as a common. The remaining, how many halogens are there? PX5 means how many are there? Phosphorus pentahalide, as here one halogen common with this. Okay, next you write OH, right here you can write one is the HX and another one is the POX3, phosphorus oxytrihalide. Specifically if you write ethyl alcohol CH3 CH2OH, yes, tell me, the PCl5. Then we can write here CH3 CH2 Cl plus, as like that only, HCl and POCl3. So this is the reaction with the phosphorus trihalide and phosphorus pentahalides. Specifically you have to take the phosphorus trichloride and phosphorus pentachloride. Next, further reaction, alcohols on reaction with a direct halogen in the presence of red phosphorus. Suppose ROH plus, or you can write directly also, and the arrow mark only you can write red phosphorus. In the presence of red phosphorus, I am writing as a X2. Then you have to write here RX plus HX. Means here in the presence of red phosphorus only. Specifically you have to write CH3 CH2OH. Okay. Same you have to write in the presence of red phosphorus, red P, and I am writing as a chlorine. Then what we can write here? Maybe here chlorine and bromine, mainly here in this method are prepared by reaction with bromine or maybe, okay, iodine also. Alright, here we can write which one it is. CH3, CH2, Br plus HBr. This is the best method for the preparation of alkyl bromides and alkyl iodides. Means here, if we X is equal to what we can write here, X is equal Br2 or maybe Cl2. Okay, X is equal, right? Okay, so this is from alcohols only. Next, last one. Okay, alcohols are reacting with the thionyl chloride, SOCl2, thionyl chloride. Yes, you people have to remember directly reaction it is. What we can write? One halogen you would write here. Then R you would write RCl or alkyl chloride. Then oxygen combined with this sulfur only. Then SO2 we can write. The remaining hydrogen is there. Then we can write here as a HCl. Here the sulfur, very important it is. The sulfur dioxide and HCl. These fumes are relieved very well outside from the test tube or maybe container. Then we get the pure alkyl halides here. As consider it is CH3, CH2OH, ethyl alcohol, and reacting with thionyl chloride, SOCl2. Then what we can write here? Same like this only. CH3, CH2, Cl plus SO2 plus HCl. Here these two are releasing easily outside from the container. So that's why the ethyl chloride is very pure. Okay. So that's why the reaction of thionyl chloride with alcohol is very yield reaction for the preparation of the alkyl halides. Those are maybe ethyl chloride, any other ethyl chloride, ethyl bromide, ethyl iodide, whatever it may be. But this is the best method for the preparation of alkyl halides because of the sulfur dioxide and HCl which are formed in a container releasing outside easily. So that's why we get the pure alkyl halide in this reaction. So this is a very important and very best method for the preparation of impure alkyl halides and okay. But in this method we can't prepare aryl halides. We can all in these reactions we prepared only which one? Only we prepared alkyl halides. Sir, what are alkyl halides? You know that. Suppose example, if you have taken ethyl alcohol, you may got which one? Ethyl chloride, ethyl bromide, ethyl iodide. But in this method, we can't prepare the chlorides and also we can't prepare the aryl halides in this method from alcohol. Because if you want to prepare aryl halides in this reaction, you have to take the phenol, means aromatic alcohol. In this aromatic alcohol, there is a double bond character is there between the benzene ring, carbon and also oxygen. Suppose example I am explaining here. So here it is a phenol, means it is aromatic alcohol. Okay, here it is aromatic alcohol. Already we know that it is a ring activating group. So due to ring activating group, there is a double bond. Yes, like this only here. So there is a double bond character between the oxygen and carbon of aromatic ring. So that's why this double bond is not it is not easy to break off to form the aryl halides. So that's why here in this alcohols, which one is breaking? Okay, ROH means carbon oxygen bond is breaking, but in this aromatic alcohol it is impossible to break the Okay, double bond character of oxygen and carbon. So that's why in this method we can't prepare the aryl halides. Okay, so it is the preparation of alkyl halides. Only we are preparing in this method. We are preparing in this method only aliphatic alkyl halides, not only the aromatic alkyl halides or aryl halides. Yes, how many are there here? So the alcohols are reacting with Lucas reagent. It's okay. The alcohols are reacting with sodium bromide in the presence of mineral acid. The alcohols are reacting with phosphorus trihalide or phosphorus pentahalide. Okay, the alcohols are reacting with halogen directly with red phosphorus. Here also, it is also to some extent best method for the preparation of alkyl halides. But in this method, we can prepare only the bromides and which one? Bromides and here only iodides. Okay, good method it is. But all over the best method is the alcohols are reacting with thionyl chloride is the best method for the preparation of chlorides, right? Okay, because of the sulfur dioxide and HCl, these two are formed in the container, easily removed out of a container. So that's why this is the best method. Yeah, sorry, you understand this one, I think. Is there any doubt you people may ask? Okay, right, it is CH2 and Cl, right? After next we are going to preparation of alkyl halides from the other compound. There are two types are there, two methods are there. One is from hydrocarbons and the other one is the halogen exchange method. Okay, so this is the preparation of one type of preparation. Next in part 2 I will explain our preparation part 2. I will explain the other methods of preparation of alkyl halides. If you will not understand this one and is there any doubt, you may ask me, you may call me. Okay, comment me on the right videos. Right, okay, thank you.